Good morning, guys. I am at Parliament Station. We are going to look at the dinosaurs in Melbourne Museum in the Philippines. Arriving at Halaya. I can see them. They're here.
Iba-iba yung apelido eh. Iba-iba yung apelido. Yung si Heaven, iba yung Markaduan. Oo. Iba yung flower show ng paraan. So, comedy ka rin niya. Tayo yung nag-tiktok.
Main order.
Wow! Ito pala yun. The dinosaur. Wow. Wow. Is it true? Really? Oh my gosh. I thought it's just a joke. Ah, there's more there, oh. Oh my
May
god.
mga ano na dito na
Look. Science and Life Gallery. Wow. Dinosaur walk. Wow. Wow.
People often ask, how do young things like AIDS become
Wow.
Well, it's because sometimes things break.
Baby dinosaurs. The largest land lizard. Oh. Tignan mo yung ano, yung wasps. Ang laki.
Sa atin, sa Pinas.
Ah, yung lola.
Yung
lola.
Ano ka? Yung may butterfly niya sa loob ng kwarto, sabi ko, pinula ko yun.
Butterfly. Oh. I remember the Bogong Moth Festival in Mount Beauty. Lalaki nila, no? $400 million years ago. Ramses Coast.
And how long this is the largest one?
I'm always amazed by science talaga.
Hindi ba ito nabibig ko? Ganitong ba ito?
Nabibenta yan sa mga collector. Nilalagay nila sa museum for everyone to see. Let's see where the Philippines is.
What's photosynthesis?
Maliit, hindi makikita.
Ito yung, ayun o, hiwa-hiwalay.
Naghiwalay na ito, buka.
Ay, wala ko ano.
Ang dami pang farm.
When are we gonna sunk? Today's earth.
Tignan mo yung sa baba, oh.
Oo. Ayan na yung Philippines, oh. Ito, ayun o, ayun o. Wait. Wait. Tingnan natin. Oh, ayan yung Philippines. Ayun o, ayun o, ayun o. Oh.
Dito wala na.
Wala na yung Philippines sa 100 years. We need to stay in Australia na.
Ito yung first.
4 billion years ago. Earth has formed under a bombardment of meteors hit from distant suns. Oo, kaya na-amaze talaga ako sa science. 3.8 billion years. Ocean, Earth. Ganito pa pala, no? Earth has cooled, allowing water to accumulate. Oceans covers the planet. This water transforms Earth. Life begins in water as microscopic organisms it possess. Forming now are some of the oldest rocks preserved. Yun lang yung Earth. Oh my God. 2.2 billion years. Snowball. Snowball.
Malamig talaga sa noon.
Simple life is widespread in the ocean. Cyanobacteria that photosynthesize have oxygen exchanges the first ice age. This was the ice age, ano, planet, yung sa movie. The planet is cloaked in ice and water exists only in slushy oceans near equator. Ito, green earth. Mother Nature. Look. Can we see the Philippines? Parang wala pa yung Philippines 100 million years ago. Over the last 500 million years, animals and plants have evolved.
Kasi parang half is walang island, half of it. Walang
Oo,
island.
parang no. Ay, oo, ito.
So nag-move siya hanggang naging ganun.
Today's Earth. Ito na.
Nandito tayo.
Earth surface ocean home to a great diversity of life on land. There is a great
At least may emphasize talaga nila.
We'll see. Ayun na. Ayun. Ulitin natin, Cecil. Hanapin natin.
Gawin mo pa yan.
Wala na. Wala na talaga.
Dahil siguro
Alam mo, nakakasad siya, no? Kahit
tubig, siguro
parang magsasang katulad sa Kiribati. Yung Kiribati Island na, country, nagsank na siya. Kalahati na lang ng Kiribati. Wow! Ito pala yung yung parang sa atin yung Aita. Yung Aita sa kanila. Ito yung si Tom and Jerry.
So, Ano talaga na nag-move talaga yun.
Tapos ito na siya ngayon. Wow. $30. $30 siya. Ang taba niyo.
Pila ba tayo?
Oo, dito tayo.
Ganun.